Energy is on a mission to help veterans one home at a time.
The program is called 100 Homes for 100 Vets. 10 on your sides. Tamara Scott is here now to explain how it works.
Well, Dominion launched this program last Veterans Day with the goal of completing 100 energy-efficient homes upgrades to veterans or to homes for veterans this Veterans Day. Now, I spoke with a family who already received some upgrades in Newport News, and they say it changed their lives forever. The Burno family moved into their new home in 2015. What they didn't know at the time was their homes needed some serious upgrades. But just when Danny Burno thought he could get the work to fixing them, he had a stroke. They ended up turning off their heat for a year and a half just to save money on a $400 utility bill. That's when they learned about the program, and Dominion Energy stepped in to help.
The ventilation and see what anything was leaking, like my vents. I didn't know my vents were leaking. My vents, all my vents in my rooms, they sealed them, make sure they wasn't leaking anymore.
They also brought in a new HVAC unit, changed smoke detectors out, and sealed up windows. Now, if you are a vet and a Dominion Energy customer, you may also be eligible for upgrades. Head to wavy.com for more details. Tamara Scott, 10 on your side.